Hey, welcome to a new video. It's November 11 in Ukraine. We have air raid siren right now. We are in power outage mode, so we're discussing new video. We're discussing the difference between monkey wrench, adjustable wrench, and why plumbers need so many wrenches, like this one and this one, and also a small one. First of all, let's talk about terminology. I know there's a lot of things, but most commonly used is pliers or the wrench, or maybe Knipex as a brand name. But in most cases, plumbers work with simple stuff like a piece of pipe or adapters that is just round, or something like that, a nut with a hex profile. Each of these stuff need its special tool. For example, if we'll try to hold this with adjustable wrench like that, while it can hold it, right? You don't have teeth to bite like pliers do. So if we do this, let's imagine who will slip. I'm destroying this pipe right now, but I can't hold it with this. It just slips. So for that, you need pliers with the teeth. There's a bunch of pliers that could be used on simple things like that doesn't have any angles. So for example, these adjustable pliers can't hold it. It will make some damage to outside with these teeth, but you will be able to screw it. And when you need a bigger one, you just get a bigger one that could accommodate a different size, like you see size difference, and that have bigger handles. Like this one is 10-inch, it's John's way. This one is probably like 16-inch. It's Gedore from Germany. It says it holds up to 1.5 inch, so it's pretty big and useful tool. But in some cases, when you have a dirty work, you just grab a monkey wrench, simply adjustable, bites very hard, and hold anywhere from 2 inches and more, depending on its size. This is similar to that, but you can see the difference. It's almost an inch difference. And all of this is pipe wrenches, pipe pliers, I don't know, monkey wrench. I have no idea why it's called so. Leave your thoughts below. And then we have simple nuts. You probably could use the same stuff here if you don't care about surface damage. It will hold, and you could unscrew or unscrew back nuts like that on different non-plumber applications. But if you have adjustable wrench like that Many suppliers do it nowadays, not only Knipex. You could simply adjust the tool to your nut, and then you could screw it. When you release the handles, it will go over the next, and you could just screw it like that. It's easy, comfortable, but it costs money. It also have one pretty unique feature that most of the different pliers that I show you doesn't have. It has straight line without teeth. It's important when you work with finish plumbing, like faucets and chrome stuff, because you don't want to leave wear marks on your precious chrome plated parts. So that's why you need this. Each tool have its own usage. Please use tool accordingly. And have a nice day. Bye.